As y'all can see, bro, we up, nigga. I took some NZDUSD sales, as y'all can see. I had a couple of them. So price was here. I'm gonna turn on my trade history so y'all can actually see. I gotta go to bed. As y'all can see, it's freaking 2 a.m. and I gotta be up at fucking 4. Go figure. Actually 5. But I'm gonna turn on trade history because I literally just took this trade. All right, so as y'all can see, I seen prices here. What time frame was on? Was I on 1 minute? I think I was on 1 minute. So yeah, I wish I had caught that down there. I probably would have been up a little bit more, but it's all good. I low-key I forgot because I was trading something else. Don't mind that lot size. I was trading something else. Anywho, as y'all can see, y'all know me, man. Sales below lows. I seen this low here. Same thing, man. Price was on the downtrend, and then I had some more. So I'm trying to figure out what made me put my entries there. Let me go to a higher time frame. It might have been I'm trying to see because I know for sure because my TP was gonna be 575. Okay, I think that's what it was. So boom, entry there, and then entries under here. And this was maybe, I'm gonna go to the hours so y'all know exactly how long ago this was. This was 2 hours ago. So I entered these 2 hours ago, and I was gonna hold, but like I said, bro, we just take profits around here. That's all it is to it. Let's go to today. I don't know why it's showing all that because it's not what the fuck is going on for real. So yeah, we made this little bit. It was like $7 and some change, but whatever. Yeah, this is that same $1 account. The thing about that trade is I had my stop loss above previous high. All right, so I had my stops at like, I want to say somewhere around here. My stops wasn't that bad. I think it was up here because my stops was gonna be 50 cents each. Because like, bro, you got to think, I had $4 in this account, and I was like, I risk $1 per trade. Well, not $1, but like 50 cents. So like, I had 2 entries at first. I was like, I risk 50 cents. That way, if it hit, it's only $1 loss, and I'm still at $3. And then I was like, but again, the way the price was looking, I was like, bro, price get below this low. Y'all know how I've been saying the same thing. Sell below lows, bro. Price get below the low, we're gonna go lower. And like, I don't know how many times I gotta say it before people actually understand. Like, that's all I be doing. Boom, boom. And if price get up under here, and 9 times out of 10, we're going here. But that's my trades, bro. I don't know if y'all really been like watching these or not, which y'all haven't been paying attention, but I'm trying to tell you, bro, like, it's possible. I done turned $1 into $10 already off of NZDUSD. Like, I mean, and as y'all can see, bro, it wasn't all pretty. Hold on, let me get right. So boom, them was all the losses, and then this was when I started growing the account. Boom, see what I mean? 70 cents, 6 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. Took 2 losses, which would have been like almost $1. Then we took these trades here. Like I said, bro, you got to close out. But all that equaled up to $10. Well, technically $9 and some change, but still. Y'all get what I'm saying, bro. I don't need to say too much more. Like I said, I'm not doing nothing super crazy yet, but the more this account grows, the higher I can use my lots. This, I ain't gonna say this was risky because it was literally those 2 trades. If I had to hit stop loss and kept going up, it wouldn't have been no more of these trades. The rest of these wouldn't have got activated. But the thing was, when they got activated, it's because price was under this low already, as y'all can see. Go down to the 5. But yeah, so once price broke this low here, over there, whatever, and it made a new low. So boom, price got here, it dropped down, it came back, pulled back up, and then dropped lower. And in my last video, I said the way I know if I have a good entry, and I ain't even have to look, but I can literally tell, is when price retests my entry. Literally, boom, that's my entry where them red arrows at right here. And price dropped, came back up, and retested my entry and went lower. Like I literally cannot make this shit up, bro. But and I'm not saying this in like a cocky way, but I'm just like showing y'all the shit that I be saying is literally like how I be trading. So here's that. Boom, it said it was my entry. It was like, what it was, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I guess, whatever. So boom, price targeted my entries. It dropped down and it retested exactly where my entry was at. I don't know how I would do it. That's just where I be putting my entries at. But that's just how it is. Like, whenever I be trading, that's how I be knowing if my entry is good. If the market can retest my entry multiple times or just retest it once and take off, then that's how I know I got a good entry. Sometimes you'll enter a trade and then market will like shoot up against you, being drawdown for a long ass time, then it come back. I don't deal with that a lot, as y'all can see. This was the most drawdown that I got, was this little wick right here. So I mean, I don't know, bro. Again, I wish I had got out down here, because I probably would have been at like 13, 14 bucks. But I mean, this was still some good profits if you ask me. Like I said, this account, go back to the first video, bro. Day 1 or day 2, whatever the case. This is that same $1.55 account, bro. This is the same one, same trades and everything. So, and like I said, I know it ain't at 1,000 yet, but like once it get there, it's still gonna be the same account, bro. So far we done took 2 losses. That won't be the last 2 losses unless I keep getting trades like this. If we keep getting trades like this, then yeah. There's no secret to fucking growing accounts. It's just you have to secure your profits. I mean, people could swing trade or whatever the case may be. They say it's easier with smaller accounts, but me personally, if I go to sleep and something crazy happens and I'm asleep, like what the fuck can I do? But again, all I'm doing is sell below lows, buys above highs. NZD been on a downtrend for a good minute now, so shit, that's really, as y'all can see, that's that's what I be trading, bro. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. I don't really hold trades for real, as y'all can see. Most I ever held was freaking, I like NZDUSD, as y'all can see, but most I've held was this GJ trade recently, which was like 2 weeks. So yeah, NZDUSD is where I be at, but that's really just because I'll be growing small accounts. That's really how I grow my small accounts, with NZDUSD, because it's a cheaper pair. So if you want to trade something and you don't know what to trade, just learn NZDUSD, because like you can make some money off of it and it's cheap, so it don't really hurt your account like talking about. I have $4 in here, y'all, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I take that back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entries with $4. Six entries with $4. Keep that in mind. So yeah, we're gonna get this account to 20, and then yeah, it might be a little bit more than that, but who knows? Anyway, being put in, I have to get up in like 3 hours.